Name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. I am your host Ali Khan Tumrani. Today I shall teach you how to store, how to rename the start button by the second method. I had to teach you first method, how to restart the start button. Okay, that was only depending on the software, but it does not depending on the software. But we can get help from one software that will that will be useful to us to locate its explorer. Then we will be change its start button time. Okay, let's do how it be possible. Okay, first of all, go to the resource hacker. Anywhere from you want to download, you can download it from the net by typing here resources hacker. Okay, here is it. Download it. Then after rolling it, you have to install it to your computer. That is simple to download, but you have to be carefully my topics how I am doing that. Okay, just close it. Then open the resource hacker which we had downloaded it. Okay, resource hacker. Okay, there is our program which we had opened. Okay, just click explorer, then click string. After clicking string table, then click 37, then click 1033, and here it will be named as a store. Okay, you have to remove it, then type your name. What do you want to give it? Okay, click the complete script, then save as we can save it legion.exe. okay, after making it, close it, then open run command by typing here regedit, or simply go through the start button, type here regedit. Okay, there is kept here all settings about the computer. Just click HKey local machine, then software. After clicking software, you will have to click Microsoft. After clicking Microsoft, go down to the Windows NT. After Windows NT, click the current version. After clicking current version, go down, then click Win Login. Okay, click it Win Login, then it will be inside of Win. There are so many options, but you have to double click on it as shell. Okay, there you have to type that name which you have saved okay, which you have saved in resource echo. As I have saved Helichan dot exe, then press OK. Okay, then okay, then you will be your server name will be changed as you want to do, but before it you have to turn off your system. After restarting, your system will be as you want to do. After restarting, that name will be changed as Lichon. Okay, I'm coming back, but after restarting it, then we had changed our start button as Lichon.